So these old oak boards were exposed after a customer purchased a new property. So we belt sanded first, then used the Bonner Flexi Sand to buff the floor using the sanding sequence. As you can see, it took quite a lot of doing, and these floors started to look amazing on about day 2. Here's me edging the floor to level out and blend in the edges with the rest of the room, giving it a good vacuum, of course, throughout the process. Lots of attention to detail to get the vacuum over all of the gaps. This area was quite fragile. There was some brittle wood, so I took the hand sander and gave it a good sand down, ready to wax actually this area. Lots of features showing. Same at the entrance to the property. This is me just sanding off the step. More buffing using the dust extraction system so that there was very limited dust in this property, which made the whole thing comfortable for me and the property owner. This was probably towards the end of the project now, doing the final sand to prepare the floor to take this oil. So here it is, the oil going down using the buffer, and this is when it really started to look gorgeous, bringing out the warmth, the grain and the colour of the oak. Here's the finished look. Customer was over the moon.